the Monsoon Riverside apartments in Cambodia. Anyway, it's the apartments in the middle of everything. All the bars, all the tourist area down the street. And that's the apartment there, and that's the accommodation. Check in a second. The place doesn't have an elevator, so you just gotta walk up the stairs. I'm on the second floor. Forget which room I'm in. Room 9. Right, so room 9, balcony, there's another room just there. Anyway, really good. Let's go inside. Right, coffee, tea, water, kettle. Good sized bed. The floor's a bit sunken, but that's really good. TV mount on the wall. Fridge, little fridge, safe. Thinking you've got to put the card in to make it work, just like that, and now we have light. Right, so this street here is the party street, Surly Street 130. It's got all the bars, everything down this street. So it might be noisy at night, I'd let you know. Anyway, let's have a look. It's got a good bath, shower. It's got the bum gun. So in Thailand, in Asian countries, you don't wipe the poo off your bum, you squirt it off and then dry your bum with the toilet paper. That's how they do it. It's actually quite good. Anyway, pretty happy with the room. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Plenty more videos to come. Sorry about the light in the bathroom, but the bathroom was fantastic. It's actually a granite bathtub, really big, and there's a shower in it too. So yeah, really good apartments. Close to everything. Riverside area, Street 130, 136. From that location, you can organise tours around the city and everything. All right, thanks very much.